Calcbench is a next-generation financial data platform for data analysts that are looking to go a level deeper. It's powered by XBRL, which allows it to immediately pull data from the SEC's corporate financial repository and provide analysts with as-filed data in line item detail. With Calcbench, you have access to more than 500 million data points for over 12,000 entities going back to 2009, and you can access information within 5 minutes of being filed. In addition to unparalleled access to financial statements, Calcbench has dozens of unique features. View 10Ks, proxy statements, and more. Benchmark and track financial data by peer group. Analyze and track disclosure changes. And access press releases as they are filed. Plus, work directly in Excel and pull numbers right into your financial statements, all traceable back to the source. Let's look at some examples of how you can use Calcbench to outperform your competitors. Looking for companies that may have exposure to countries with hyperinflation? Under U.S. accounting rules, countries with hyperinflation, defined as an inflation rate above 100% over a 3-year period, require specialized disclosures. Using our handy disclosure query, it's easy to search for these companies. Just go to the upper left-hand corner of the page to decide what company or companies you want to search, choose the search period in the upper right-hand corner, then type the name of the country you want to explore in the text field on the right-hand side. A list will appear. You can export this list or go into each footnote and disclosure section to find the highlighted portions of the text. Let's take this concept of geographic risk a little further and explore what's in the risk factors disclosures of S&P 500 companies in Q2 2019 around China tariffs. We use the same process as before, but now we search by S&P 500 companies and we type in China and tariffs. Then underneath full text search, we check Restrict to Specified Disclosure Type and click the search icon. In an instant, we get a list of companies in the S&P that have called out China or tariffs in their risk factors disclosures. Another way to outperform competitors is through peer comparisons. With Calcbench, it's easy to compare companies. In this example, we compare revenues of Twitter and Snapchat. We just visit the multi-company tool, pull up quarterly revenue for both firms, and export it to Excel. Let's continue to explore benchmarking. Say you want to explore all product warranties for Caterpillar and its competitors. First, go to Disclosures Query from the main menu. Then choose Companies. On the left-hand side, under the Sectors menu, type Caterpillar in the Find Peers for Company box. A peer group list will show up on the right-hand side of the screen. Once the peers are selected, you can choose Guarantees or Product Warranties from the Choose Footnote Disclosure Type menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This will provide you with the information you need for Caterpillar and its peers. Want to get this information into your Excel model? Select Export. Calcbench can also be used to quickly review and analyze financials. Take one senior financial analyst who is tasked with reviewing a bank and preparing a financial analysis. He wanted to see a full 10-year history in order to understand how the bank had performed over time. Manually collecting that much data would have taken days, but he was able to pull the bank's financial statements in their basic form, as reported in line item detail, and export it into his own model for analysis. Calcbench saved this analyst days of effort. Under Company Detail in the main menu, he chose the company he wanted to follow. Immediately, the most recent information pops up on the screen. To go back further, just click the Add Previous Period button on the right-hand side of the screen. Calcbench has helped Fortune 100 companies, major money management firms, and research firms become more productive and accurate in their financial analysis. But don't take our word for it. Try Calcbench for yourself. Visit www.calcbench.com/join to sign up for a free 2-week trial.